The house is creatively designed and meticulously arranged to reflect the owner's passion for daisies. Despite its limited size and unconventional layout, the house has been cleverly optimized to maximize space, resulting in a more expansive and open atmosphere. The owner's desire to awaken to the sight of daisies is seamlessly integrated into the design. The two-story house is situated on a 60-square-meter plot and has been thoughtfully designed to maximize natural light and incorporate greenery. Each room in the house benefits from ample natural light and is adorned with lush green plants. Inside the house, an open floor plan has been created with two lawns occupying 1/3 of the total area. These lawns are strategically planted with tall trees to allow for natural light to enter through skylights and windows, and to facilitate natural ventilation. This natural open space serves as a seamless connection point between the living space and the two floors of the house. Despite the small area and tilted layout, the house has been cleverly optimized to create a sense of spaciousness. As a result, all the rooms in the house are interconnected through two terraces that make up 1/3 of the overall area.